Welcome to my channel. My name is Ibrahim Mustafa, and I want to specially welcome you to today's session of this particular program. If you are talking about business, public speaking, this is the place to be. So today, let's talk about top 3 crypto exchanges and trading platforms that you can trade and also exchange your cryptocurrency at ease. It's difficult to make money these days. And I'm telling you, if you make money and you are not able to keep the money, or you send it to a platform and they take advantage of you, is painful. And that's why I want to do these top 3 crypto exchanges for you, especially if you are someone who is from Nigeria, Ghana, or Africa. These platforms I'm going to mention are friendly to you. So let's talk about what crypto trading is all about in exchange. So crypto trading is all about buying and selling cryptocurrencies with the aim of profiting from price movements. So if you buy a cryptocurrency with the anticipation that when price goes up or low, you sell or buy. And that is what we term as crypto trading. So different from directly investing in a cryptocurrency where you own the coin. So this is a little different, because this one, your aim is not to own the coins, but your aim is to trade them and sell them once they increase or decrease. So let's go through the trading platforms that I've earmarked. I've researched and I've used most of them, and you can get to use them also to do your business. So number one is, I will recommend and highly recommend. First one is Bybit. So Bybit is a platform that I just saw, and it's very nice, and it has a lot of opportunities for young Africans to be able to do whatever you want to do. So I don't think I can even emphasize on the importance of this more. So it has trading, earning, learning. You learn, you earn, you trade, and you make money. And the opportunity for Bybit is that you have a demo trading account. So the demo trading account simply means that you don't want to risk your money. Some of you, I know. So the demo trading account will give you the opportunity. They will load you with demo money up to sometimes $100,000, and you use that to trade, to practice, to learn. You can do that for a week. I'm telling you, the first time I went into live trading, I didn't see the demo trading first. So I went into the live trading and I lost a lot of money. But you can learn with the demo trading. So all you just need to do is, you can see, yes, daily rates of the coins and how they are increasing. See, BTC is already 71,000 and going. And we have different top gainers and different coins that you can exchange with. So you just sign up. If you are new, sign up. And once you sign up, there are 2 options to register. You can use your email. You can use your password. Email here, just put your password, and boom, you start to get so you register, sign up. You can also use your mobile phone to sign up. So but I recommend that you use your email first, and also later you follow with your mobile phone. And once you do that, you'll be asked some questions that you should be able to get yourself, in terms of maybe getting yourself signed up, and also verify who you are and what you want to do. So there are a lot of opportunities that you have to get from this. So you see, and once you join, you are going to get like a $20 rewards. So they're going to give you one opportunity to make $20 rewards. So if you are already in this, let me see if I can sign in. All you just need to do is to sign in. Don't waste time, sign in. And you can sign in with a QR code, and you can also sign in with whatever you want to do. So I'm going to sign in with a QR code, and see. So this is my QR code. So you go to you also have the opportunity to get a wallet on your phone. So maybe if you are using Android, just go into Android, the platform, Play Store, or iOS, Apple Store, to get your crypto, to just get your app, so that you can use that because you hold your phone most of the times. You can use your phone to be able to do your trading and to be able to see. So this is the trading account. So once you get in here, please, if you are new to this, I want to highly recommend, if you don't have experience in trading, there are 2 things you can do here. You can actually go here, the tools, and do copy trading. So copy trading, I'll talk more extensively. I will do like over 10 videos about copy trading because it has a lot of opportunities. And I use that a lot. So you can go there and copy other people's trades, and you use that to leverage. The other thing is that you can also just go to the demo trading accounts, please. And once you go to the demo trading accounts, I'm just going to show you how it is. You can demo trade and do more opportunities with this. So the demo trading accounts is like this. So you can see BTC. This is how it is. And you can buy demo trading accounts. They will load you with money. So see 100,000, over 100,000 US dollars. And you get to learn about all these things. And once you learn about this, you start demo trading. You are trading for free. So you can see they've written demo trading. You are trading for free. And within the 1 week or 2 weeks, you should be comfortable. You should know the ins and outs about the charts, trading view charts. This is how it is. So the standard one looks like something like this. But I prefer the chart. But I prefer to use the trading view. So you can see this, the trading view. I always use the trading view. MACD or whatever indicators, I use that to do. So this is how it is. If you want to buy, you just buy. If you want to sell, you sell. But there are things you need to know, which I'll be doing more videos about. But then just use that to practice. And once you are practicing, if you find anything that you don't know, please go back to a YouTube video. Just type in that thing on a YouTube. You will be able to see countless number of videos that will help you to overcome that fear. And once you are trading, you just get opportunity to learn more and do more. So my first advice is that please go on, learn how to get a demo trade, start and do whatever you want to do with it. If you lose money, a lot of money, you can also request for demo funds again. You keep on practicing and practice until you become confident that if you put in real money, you'll be able to make some gains. If not, if you are just going to go with your intuition like I did, I'm telling you, are going to lose a lot of money. My first day, I thought I was making profit. Second day, I lost all the monies I had because I didn't learn. I was just using my intuition, had strong head to do the trading. So I would advise that you go on, you learn, you practice with the demo trades, and you watch more videos, and to get before you put in some money. So this is the how it is. And there's a link that you can sign up to this and get more opportunities. You get more rewards, over $3,000 rewards if you are trading and you are making profit. So you can see this is my demo. You can see I've made some profits and losses. Even on my demo account, 0.5% I've made. You see 0.41%, like a lot of things on my demo account. So this is Bybit. The link is in the description below. Just sign up and you can you are good to go. The second trading accounts I want to share with you is Binance. Of course, it's Binance. So Binance is also another opportunity for you to be able to, it's just similar like to Bybit, but you can get a lot of benefits. You can learn more, you can do more, you can invest. Still the same. So sign up if you are new to this, or sign in if you are already having an account. And there are a lot of things that you can also do with Binance. So you sign in, and once you sign in, the interface is like this, and it gives you the opportunity to put in your details. And once you put your details, you are good to go. I think this is the last time I'll try. And okay, so amen. Okay, so I'm just going to use the authentication. So you need to be okay. You need to be a little careful. Don't be in a rush. You can see I'm taking my time to be able to log in. Just because you need to just make sure that, yeah, you get everything that you want right. And once you get into it, you can be able to trade and do more and do more. So you can see it's in, I'm in. And once I get in, I get to see whatever I have. So you can buy crypto, you can deposit through peer-to-peer. There are a lot of things you can trade here. Do spot trading, margin trading, copy trading too is here. You can use trading bots And once you are here, you can be able to do a lot with your trading accounts. So this is how it looks like. And once you come here, you see some of the things that we are having today, some of the coins that you have, opportunities to learn, to earn. And also you get a $5 reward once you register with Binance also. So you can use that to start trading. You can use that to start doing whatever you want to do. And once you know that this is what you want to do, there are a lot of opportunities that you can be able to use listings to get. So that's the second trading and exchange accounts for you. So you can trade futures, you can do futures, you can do spot trading, you can buy crypto, you can do peer-to-peer in your local currency. And I learned Nigerians, they've disabled the peer-to-peer transaction, but if you're in Ghana, if you're in Kenya, any part of the world, you can use the peer-to-peer to exchange. So that's the second one. And the third one also is okx.com. Though some people may expect me to mention different exchanges, but I go with okx.com. And it's also something like the two that I've mentioned. It also has an app that you can just use to sign in and to be able to do more. So once you go into under the YouTube videos, you see all of them, you explore. But my pick is the Bybit. My first one is the Bybit because of the demo trading accounts. So the demo trading accounts give you a lot of leverage. It gives you a lot of opportunities to be able to trade and you'll be able to do more. You can see. So once you get in, you are good to go. So maybe if you are learning from me, if you have some questions to ask, you can leave them in the comment section. If you also want to learn and know more, because this is something that we need to embrace as young Africans, please just reach out to me and let's do this. I believe in you and I believe in the power that we all have to make crypto to change our lives. Some people say you make a lot of money. No, I will not say you make a lot of money. But if you are consistent, if you know what you are doing, you'll be able to make a lot of money. Also join my Telegram group that I have. We share free signals every day. And we make some gains. Sometimes we make losses. Sometimes also we gain. And we make a lot of profit. So join. Let's do this. Let's create opportunities. I believe in you. Sign up and let me know that you've signed up. Thank you very much and have a blessed and wonderful day. I believe in you.